Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11 lock screen. So in order to do this, you need to remove your Microsoft account from Windows completely, and only then this gonna happen. So to do that, you just need to click on your start button, then click on settings. Once your settings open, just click on accounts here, and in the account section you need to scroll a bit until you find the option for your info, and after clicking on your info we need to click on sign in with local account instead, then click on next. Now in order to remove the account, we need to type our password, or also they can ask for the pin. So I'm going to type my pin here, so let me type that. As we are going to remove our Microsoft account, then it means that we are going to use our Windows on local account, so we have to set username for our local account. So I'm going to name my local account as LA, and then you can just type the password and confirm it, and you can also give the hint for your password. But in my case, I'm not gonna set password for my PC, so that's why I'm gonna leave it as it is, and then just click on next. And once you do that, just click on sign out and finish. And yeah guys, here on the lock screen you can see that the Microsoft account is successfully removed from our Windows as well as from our lock screen. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.